I'm Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how to remove a rivet with only using a drill and drill bits. We have a rivet that's been peened over on both sides. No easy way to remove it. The trick when drilling out a screw or anything is when you start, you can start and you can be off center. Then as you drill, you angle the motor until you take and get to the center of the item that you're drilling while the motor is running, slowly bringing it straight to center. Sometimes you can hacksaw them off, sometimes you use a hand grinder to cut them off, sometimes you don't have too many tools, but almost everybody owns a drill and some drill bits. The secret here is to drill a hole down the center of the rivet, past the head, about 1/4 of an inch, and then come with a larger drill bit, and then drill again, and the head will pop right off. You can see that I drilled into this deeper than the head of the rivet. It's not fair, but usually the rivet on a shovel handle is 3/16. So I grab a drill bit that's one size bigger than the rivet or the screw that I'm working on. There, you can see I'm through the head, but the head has not popped off. So while the drill is running at high speed, you slowly rotate the drill. Now that I've drilled it and I've rotated the bit, there's the head, and then now all there is left is the shaft of the rivet. Now we can take and tap the rivet out. This is called a pin punch, just like a nail set. That's how you remove a peened over rivet or any other screw that the head has been compromised on, and drill through the head of the screw or the bolt. You go with a drill bit that's larger than the shaft of the rivet. You slowly rotate and the head will, still a little warm, that'll pop off. How to remove a rivet or a stripped out screw with a quick tip from MrHardware.com.